7, so I prophesied as I was commanded. So ito na po yung response ni Ezekiel. And as I was prophesying, there was a noise, a rattling sound, and the bones came together, bone to bone, and so on. And nagkaroon po ng buhay yung mga bones na yon as soon as Ezekiel did exactly what God told him, and God did exactly everything He promised. Nagkaroon po ng buhay yung bones nung sumunod po si Ezekiel. So the same po sa atin, as we obey and do as God commanded, He will also work and make miracles as He promised.
Ang aming mga dalangin, Lord God, alam po namin na ito'y kinatugon mo na at kakatugunin. And this is what we are